So we're going to just talk about finding the inputs and outputs of a function, just given its graph. So this is the one thing you need to understand right here, is that each point has an x, and they call, instead of y, they're calling that h of x or g of x or f of x or something like that. So in this case, when they're saying find one value of x for which h of x equals -4, so h of x, they're saying the y value equals -4. So when you come down, you have to come down to the y value, -4. The x value right there is 0. Then the second part of the question says find h of 2. So when they tell you the 2, the number 2 right there is going to be your x. So you come over to 2 on x and then go down and see what is the y value, and it's -5. So then that answer would be -5. So let's do some examples so you can see what we're talking about. So when they say f of -2, they're giving you your x is -2. So you come over to -2, go up and look at the graph, and then across to see where that is at y, and it's 2. So this is going to be a 2 right here. One value of x for which f of x is -2. So they're saying f of x is our y. So we're going to come down to find -2, and we need a value. What is x when f of x is -2? And it's 0. So that would be 0. So it's kind of an eyeball exercise. You kind of have to know what they're asking for. Let's do another one here. So when they're asking for f of x equals -4, so they're telling us the y value is -4. So we come we come down to the y, and then we go over till we get onto the blue function, and x is -1. We could even go over to this side and say, oh, x is 2. So you pick which one you want. I'm going to go ahead with the -1. Plug in -1 there. And then we want f of 1. That just means x is 1. So we come to 1, and we have to go to the blue line and then see what y is, and that's 2. So that's going to be 2 right there. And we'll check it. Okay, we're going to do it again. One more. So f of x equals 0. So we come down here, we find when f of x equals 0, find a value. So when y is 0, we're going to come over to the blue line. So when they give you f of x is 0, you come down to 0 on y, and you go left or right, just till you get to the blue function. So that's x is 1. So when x is 1, we would get 0 for y. Then we want f of 0. That just means when x is 0. So we come over, here's x, come to 0, and then we have to go up or down. So we go up to 2. So f of 0 is 2. That's when x is 0, y is 2. And that's the end of the lesson. I hope this helps with passing this off. Let me know if it doesn't, and I'll try to do another video for you.